Hello friends, I'm Dr. Rohit Batra from Dermaworld Skin and Hair Clinics, and today we are going to talk about shingles, or also known as herpes zoster. Herpes zoster or shingles is a viral infection. Yes, it's the same virus that causes chickenpox in the early life. When the virus enters the human body, it causes chickenpox, and then after the chickenpox settles down, the virus becomes dormant and just remains there dormant in the nerve roots. In elderly or at late age, when there is suppression of the immunity, when someone is ill or is on immunosuppressant drugs, at that time this viral again becomes reactivated and causes herpes zoster or shingles. Now, what herpes zoster looks like? There will be tiny fluid-filled blisters and rash in one patch, band, or on one side of the body. We call it a dermatomal pattern. Suppose someone can have just on one right side of the face, someone can have on just right arm, others can have just over left chest or left abdomen and left leg. So the lesions will be painful, fluid-filled or blisters, erythematous, that means red in color, and will be there on one part of one side of the body. It will never cross the midline. It's very rare, rarest of rare that it will cross midline. Usually this thing happens in 1 out of 3 persons anytime during their life. So it's very common, no need to worry. The later it happens in your life, the more painful it is, and the pain might last for many months also. We call it post-herpetic neuralgia. So herpes zoster is caused by a virus, the same virus that causes chickenpox. It can happen to anybody. As much as 33% of the population will have it sometime or the other. The pain which is there usually lasts for week to 10 days, but might last for months also when it is known as post-herpetic neuralgia. The older the age of the person in which herpes zoster occurs, the more the likelihood of having post-herpetic neuralgia, that is pain that might last for months also. The treatment part consists of oral antiviral drugs like acyclovir or famciclovir or valacyclovir, anti-inflammatory, that is the painkiller, etc., to take care of the pain and the inflammation, and antihistaminics, something topical or something to do for the itching or the burning sensation that is there. So your dermatologist will guide you depending upon what sort of herpes you are having, that's herpes zoster, in which body part, and how extensive or severe it is, that how much treatment needs to be given. Once the lesion gets crusted, that means the fluid-filled blisters form the crust, then with emollients and some topical solutions, lotions that are given by the dermatologist till the crusts are removed, they will be prescribed. And if at all there is some pain, that's post-herpetic neuralgia, something like pre-GABA or gabapin, etc., and some vitamin B12 supplement that are good for your nerves is prescribed. Now one needs to take care that if you are suffering from herpes zoster, the likelihood that you are shedding the virus to others and you can cause chickenpox to others is always there. So if you are having herpes zoster and you have infants at home, those who have not been immunized for chickenpox with the vaccine might get chickenpox. So if someone is suffering from herpes zoster and an infant in the same household starts developing blisters all over the body or face or abdomen, it might be chickenpox, so show it to the pediatrician also. But if you know that you are suffering from herpes zoster and you have someone who is not immunized for chickenpox, better stay away from that infant. Of course, nowadays you have vaccines for herpes zoster also, and in US it is advised that anyone above 50 to 60 years of age should get vaccinated for herpes zoster if they have not got herpes zoster in their life till that age. But of course, even if you get herpes zoster, no need to panic, no need to get worried about, because it is a very common virus. If taken seriously if taken. If you take the medicine obediently, there won't be any pain, there won't be any side effects, and you'll be fine to do any of your job, any of your household activities along with the medication, along with herpes also. So hope you liked my video today. For more videos on skin and aesthetics, do join our channel, that's Dermaworld Skin and Hair Clinics, and we'll be sharing more videos on skin and other aesthetic ailments and procedures from time to time. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.